So let's start by taking a moment to show you how to roll out the muscles of your calf by using a foam roller and your body weight. It's really simple to do, and once you commit it to memory, you should have no problem keeping it as one of your go-tos for your toolbox to keep your calves healthy before and after exercise. So to do this one, you're going to need that roller, but you might also want to have yourself a mat just to have soft contact with the ground, so that way it doesn't put too much stress on your hands. And if you need anything, always links are in the description to get what you need. Now to get started on this one, I'm going to use more of a traditional style foam roller, but you could also use something like this over there, a roller like that by the Trigger Point Roller Company, as long as you can get into the muscle and it's a wide area of coverage. Now what you're going to do is you're going to put the roller down on the ground in front of you. Then you're going to get your calf muscle. Try to get the belly of the muscle right over the roller. Let me back up so I'm fully in camera shot. And now you see, just like that, you get on the roller, you lift yourself up, and you can go back and forth just like that. Try to keep the hands underneath your body so that way you have leverage and you don't put too much stress on your shoulder. Back and forth just like that. And then if you want to get a little deeper in the muscle, you do some flexing and extending of your toes just like that. And you go back, you hit a different part, or you turn your foot out and you get on the outside portion of your calf. Then once you're done, you can come off of it and switch off to the other side. You might also want to give your upper body a break if you're not used to holding yourself up like that. And just like this. And if not, you can always put like a book or something underneath if you can't get all that work holding your body weight up just like that. Just elevate your butt a little bit and that should help you out. And same thing, toe slaps. If you really want to get in there, one foot over the other and add a little bit of extra weight. Then when you're done, you come off it, you take the roller and you put it off to the side, you move on, you do the next self-massage or stretch technique that you want to do because you'll have just finished rolling out your calves.